Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the auto scroll feature on TikTok. This feature allows videos to automatically move to the next one on your feed without you needing to swipe. Let's jump right in. First, open the TikTok app and go to your home page. Tap and hold your finger on any video until a menu appears with several options. In the top right corner, you'll see the auto scroll option. Just tap on it. Now, as you can see, the next post will automatically play once the current video finishes. You can sit back and relax without needing to swipe through your feed. It's that easy and convenient. If you want to switch back to normal or manual scrolling, just tap the icon above and turn it off. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.